Mastering might in Second Conditionals. English Learning Simplified. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. In today's video, we will delve into a very special topic: the usage of the modal verb, might, in second conditional sentences. It might seem challenging at first, but don't worry. We're here to break it down and make it easy for you. Before we start with might, let's do a quick recap on what second conditional sentences are. Second conditional sentences are used to express hypothetical situations that are unlikely to happen or are impossible. These sentences are formed by using if plus the past simple tense and would, could, or might plus the base form of the main verb. For instance, if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. Here, the situation of having $1 million is hypothetical and not real. Now, let's introduce the modal verb, might. In second conditional sentences, we use might to show that there is a possible result in the hypothetical situation, but the likelihood is not strong. Let's see an example. If it rained tomorrow, we might stay at home. This implies that it's possible to stay at home if it rains, but it's not a definite decision. So, you might ask, what's the difference between would, could, and might? Good question. In the context of second conditional sentences, would indicates a hypothetical situation that is likely or certain to happen if the condition is met. Could is used to suggest that the result is possible, and might is used when the possibility is uncertain or less likely. For instance, consider these sentences. 1. If I saw her, I would say hello. I'm certain I will say hello. 2. If I saw her, I could say hello. It's possible I might say hello. 3. If I saw her, I might say hello. It's less likely I will say hello. Now, to better understand, let's do some practice. Try to create your own second conditional sentences using might. Here are some sentence starters for you. 1. If I found a treasure, I 2. If I were the president, I 3. If I could fly, I remember. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. That's it for today's lesson on using might in second conditional sentences. We hope this video helps clarify how to use might and how it differs from would and could. So, keep practicing, and remember, learning a language is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, gets you closer to your goal. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.